Hello, my name is Harry Perikowitz. I am from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. I am a secular Jew by faith. For the past 41 years, I have been a taxi driver in the region of Montreal. On December 19, 2006, my vehicle was inspected by the Bureau des Taxis inspectors, who fined me $166 for allegedly violating Section 98 of City-of-Montreal Bylaw 03-105, which reads, "Every driver must insure and leave no object or inscription that is not required for the taxi to be in service." The items I was ordered to remove on pain of further sanctions are a photograph of my daughter, poppies commemorating Canadian War II veterans, 2 small car MeZuZaHs discreetly embedded in the space between the car doors. On January 4th, 2007, I was inspected again and issued another ticket in the amount of $166 for the same infraction. On April 3rd, 2007, I received a letter from the Quebec Human Rights Commission that advised me in part of the following, and quote, "Mr. Julius Gray is of the advice that the Bureau des Taxis de Montréal should not force you to remove your religion icon from your taxi." And quote, "I brought the situation to the Bureau des Taxis attention." And quote, "The Bureau des Taxis of Montreal claimed they never received a complaint of a Muslim customer who would not take a taxi because of the fact that a Jewish driver carried an icon inside the car." End quote. "The Bureau des Taxis of Montreal claimed that the tickets were because of the taxi was not clean and not because of the religion icons." End of quote. The tickets are clearly indicating in the French language: objet non nécessaire, photos des enfants, plus objet, religion, refusez d'enlever les objets, contesté. End of quote. On July 12, 2007, my vehicle was inspected once more by the Bureau des Taxis, and I was issued a pre-ticket for the same infraction. Ticket number 3. All tickets are ordering me to remove the unnecessary items in question from my car, my taxi. On July 16, 2007, I filed at the municipal court contesting the constitutionality and validity of the City of Montreal Bylaw 03-105, Section 98, with notice to the Attorney General of Quebec, as well Attorney General of Canada, and as well the Crown Prosecutor of Montreal. The questions to be asked are: 1. Why an issue was made out of this? 2. What is the definition of a taxi being not clean, being dirty, and being messy? 3. According to the Bureau des Taxis of Montreal, are we to assume that religion icons, War II veteran poppies, family pictures, and a Canadian flag are all to be implied as a form of a mess, as being dirty,